Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to renew Norton 360 with a product key in Android. Norton 360 is an all-in-one device protection and internet security software from NortonLifeLock. You can check the link in the description section if you want to get it at a discounted price. And if you've not installed Norton 360, you can check the tutorial at the end of this video. So open the Norton 360 app on your Android device, and then tap on the Hamburger icon in the top left corner, and in this left side panel, tap on the Renew button. You'll see this screen. Tap on Redeem a Subscription, and on this screen, choose Enter a Product Key. Then enter your product key into this box, and then tap on Verify. Let it finish the verification process and it'll bring you back to this main screen, but that's pretty much it. Now, if your subscription has already expired, you may see this screen when you open the Norton 360 app. So you would tap on the Redeem a Subscription link, and on this screen, choose Enter a Product Key, then enter your product key into this box, and then finally click on Verify. Let it finish the verification process, and then it's going to bring you back to this main screen. But that's pretty much it. With the Norton 360 Deluxe version, you can install it on up to 5 devices, including your smartphone. So you can check this link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.